Good morning, everybody.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Jasper and we are at Maligne Lake, and our plan is to go and do the Maligne Lake boat cruise out to Spirit Island.
Yeah, it's a little smoky, as you can probably see in the background, but hopefully it'll clear up a little bit. That would be perfect because this lake is beautiful in the summertime. Like usually it's nice and blue. The mountains in the background are exceptional, so.
Yeah, we'll make the most of it. Ideally it's not smoky when we're doing it, but we'll see how it goes.
Maligne Lake is just under an hour from Jasper, and there's a ton of hiking. There's canoeing you can do on the lake, paddle boarding. There's so many activities you can do around here. It's really like kind of an outdoorsman paradise adventure. Yeah. And
the drive here is incredible. Like just plan extra time for your drive because there's mountains and lakes and so much wildlife. We saw the most amazing elk.
Saw a huge bull elk. Yeah.
Just grazing, hanging out.
Deer, bear, moose. They're all really common to see along the highway. If you are into backcountry camping and canoeing, Maligne Lake is also an incredible spot to do like a backcountry canoe trip. They have 3 campgrounds on the lake and they're all only accessible by canoe. So if you want to stop hiking and paddle more, book a backcountry campsite here. Alright, so we just got to Spirit Island. It is beautiful. It's a stunning spot.
It is so beautiful here. It's like remote. There's a little trail that you can walk around on. You get 15 minutes on the island, which is actually longer than I thought we would have. I didn't even know if we'd be able to get off the boat. So this is pretty incredible. Usually you see this view with a bunch of beautiful mountains in the background. It's still pretty with
We got smoke.
The boat ride to get here is about 35 minutes and you can actually go outside the whole time too, which is also really nice. Something I also didn't know. David and I pretty much just sit outside and enjoy the peace and quiet the whole boat ride here.
Yeah, very beautiful. So we just finished up the tour and it was a lot of fun. It was great views. The crew was like really nice.
Yeah, they were awesome. They shared a lot of knowledge about the lake. We would definitely recommend taking this tour if you come to Maligne Lake. It's really good. You get to see so much of the lake so quickly. Like you can definitely canoe or do other things, do hiking around the lake as well. There's lots to do here, but this is a really good way to see a lot of the lake really quickly, and it's really beautiful.
Even if you just come to Jasper, this is a hot spot, so definitely come up here and check it out.
Definitely. Yeah, Spirit Island was like amazing to see.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, give us a like, hit the subscribe button. It would mean a lot to us, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you next week.